know we love family projects, so that's what we're doing. I have my sister, my niece, my mom. The only problem is we're missing our MVP, which is my husband. He had to work for a few hours this morning, so as soon as he gets back, we're gonna get to it. So first, we're gonna go eat some breakfast and coffee.
I got these first two in there just fine.
You're left-handed.
So what you're saying is put them on this side.
They're not getting. Our master bedroom is right next to our dining room, and I thought it would be nice to create a sound barrier. So that is why my sister and family are putting up insulation on the interior walls. The master bedroom now has insulation on all the walls, so I'll have to let you know how well it works out when we're finished.
Ready?
Yep.
It's on the line again?
It's on the line. If you have seen my previous video about the treasures that I found in my wall, they were a lot of fun to find when we demoed our house. So I am leaving a few things in our walls for the next people, which hopefully will be 100 years from now or so, but anytime they dig into the walls, they'll find a treasure. So I'm gonna start off with a mug that I love, but it broke, but if they demo the walls and break it, it's gonna be okay. And then I found some Pokemon cards that my son is willing to put in the walls. I don't know, maybe it'll be worth something by then. And I have my little jar, it's a spice jar. And I have some bills that I'm going to put in there so they can kind of see how the utilities work. And then I have a Bible. It was my son's first Bible. I thought it was really sweet that I could put in the walls. So.
I think my favorite.
I love that video. It brings back so many memories.
Hey, why are you hiding it?
Because Trevor doesn't need it anymore. He has a adult Bible now.
An adult Bible?
So it's going to stay here forever.
Student Bible.
Oh, see, that's better.
Their job is never done.
Gotta pay the bills somehow.